This time I am heading back to south. It's Thursday today. I'm loading from Otahu and then I'll be heading to Christchurch, leaving on Sunday, maybe deliver this load on Monday morning. The truck was off the road for 2 days. It was in the workshop for COF. And what happened was they find there was a crack in the front, this windscreen, so it needs to be changed. There was other couple of issues, like I need 2 tires on the drive axles, and then there was an air leak that needs to be looked at, so that one is also fixed. Got a fresh COF now. It's all good for next 6 months. There was 2 reasons why the COF delays. Need new tires on the truck, and also I just leave my full unit, like truck and trailer, at the workshop. I tell the mechanic to check the trailer as well if there's any issues. They find a flat tire on one of the axle. I called the guy, he said the tire needs to be changed. I changed that up, and then the leak was still there. It was not holding any air, and then they find out it's not the tire that was punctured, it's the rim. That's funny. And then you need to put the new rim in. It happened to me 2 times now. Before it was the inner rim on the truck, and now the trailer. It's 2:30 right now. I have just finished loading the truck and trailer. I'm supposed to be picking up 60 pallets all together, but I can only fit 56. So yeah, I left behind 4 pallets which will be picked by someone else maybe tomorrow, and this load is going to Christchurch. And now it's Thursday today. This delivery is for Monday morning. What I will do is I'll just go home, park up. I'll be leaving on Sunday morning. I'll head to Fleet Tires now, because yeah, I really like that shiny tire on the left, which is on the outer side of the axle. But the problem is I need to get the inner one, which is Durabright, on the outer side, because the polished rim will be like faded in a couple of months, and Durabrights will be shining forever. So this morning I went to Main Freight 2 home to lift up my maize floor. There I see my old mate Ranveer and my boss Peter Wallace. He's a guy who teach me everything about trucking. When COVID hits, I lost my job, and then he listed a job for the local work, like it isn't line haul but was some local pickups on a B train. And then yeah, when I talk to him, I tell him already, like, I have no experience, I just have the license, but I drive a B train with my mate for a couple of times. It will work out. And then he say, okay, no worries, you are working for me now. And then he teach me everything, reversing, picking up, and all the other things about trucking. And I see him today as well when I was in Main Freight 2 home, and he was really happy that I have 2 trucks now. We keep talking over the phone in maybe after every 1 or 2 months. Yeah, I take all his advices when I was buying my first truck, and it really helps actually. He's the one who told me, just keep your monthly repayment as low as possible. That way, if the work is not so busy, you can still survive. And that's how I survived 2 years. Yes. And yeah, but I really miss working at 2 home. That work is like, you just wake up, go to work, do some local pickups, get back home on time, and then yeah, that's it, you are with your family. Okay, so this is how it looks now. all dirty and all messed up with all the other axles. And they have found one flat tire again. Okay, so I was here and then what they found was another flat tire, and that tire cannot be fixed either. So they put the new one in and we just switched those back axle tires as well. So the Dura Bride is out now. I'm going to head home now, pack up for rest of the weekend, leaving on Sunday night. Okay, so it's Sunday today. The weather isn't so good. I'm just about to leave from Auckland straight to Wellington. I've got an 8:30 ferry in the evening tonight. I'm just warming up my truck and then I will be on my way. Okay, I'll see you guys on the way. Okay, it is time to grab a cup of coffee. Here I am in Taupo, and on the right hand side we have main freight, and I am just about to get on that roundabout, and on the left here we have got another weighbridge that will be ready, I think, very soon. Yeah, it's nearly done, I think. They have all the fence around, they have that main office there. It's nearly done. And here on the right we have Lake Taupo. It's really good. The weather seems to be fine here, like it's not raining at the moment, but I think it might be raining ahead in maybe Turangi. Southbound, Bully Point southbound. So just after Bully and Toki Point, this road before the next town used to be 80 kilometers an hour zone, but recently they have changed it to 100, which really helps because this is a straight road and it's good to go on like your full maximum speed limit. But the only downside of this is they have changed the speed on those bends, the Bully Point and Toki Point, to 100 as well. So the cars, they actually go a little more faster, but for the trucks it's still a 25 kilometer per hour like bend. So yeah, as you have already seen, I have to call on my radio as well if some other truck is coming from the front. Yeah, he can let me know that I'm coming as well, so either he can stop or I can stop, because it's only one truck that can go past on that bend. It's a really tight one. This part of the road is uneven, and there was a board back there as well saying uneven road, but I don't know, they are not fixing it. Maybe just the cones are doing their job. Like uneven surface, you know it's uneven, just go slow. That's what they want you to do instead of fixing the road. That car with the trailer in the front must be carrying some heavy stuff, because I've been following him. So yeah, that must be a little heavy because yeah, he's going at 46 now. I don't know what car is it that's pulling that trailer, but it's really slow. I have 20-25 cars behind me, and then that's the guy that's holding all the traffic. Yeah, okay, so yeah, he's going past him, and there we go. Yeah, he should have pulled over on the left somewhere. There's enough space here. He should pull over here. No? Okay. Yeah, no, he's pulling over. What? No, he's not. No, I cannot just go from here. Maybe he needs to pull over, or maybe he has to wait till the passing lane that's coming ahead. Then only I can go past him, and all that car behind me are waiting as well. He is going towards the middle of the road. Yeah, I think he is heavy. Or maybe the weight in the trailer isn't so balanced. See, he's going on the yellow lane in the middle. I'm trying to give him some space so he can pull over to the left, and I don't want to make him nervous. It's okay, bro. Take your time. Take your time. There are so many areas where he can pull, but he is not pulling over, so... Oh, no, what? I don't know what he's trying to do, but it's not safe for anyone. He should have pulled over. Okay, so the passing lane is just coming any moment now, and the guy is doing 59 kilometers an hour. Everybody is getting so impatient at the back as well. I can see all the lights on my right mirror, and maybe, yeah, okay, thank you very much. It's a little Ford Mondeo, I think, pulling that trailer. Must have been so heavy, that's why he's not been able to pull that fast. Okay, move on to left hand, and now you'll see all the cars going by. That's a big line back there. Okay, I'll just slow down. I'll let everyone go. Okay, so I'll tell you one interesting story. So this guy in the front, registration number LWD688, he was behind my truck from last, I don't know, from Taihape, I think. And I don't think he knows that trucks cannot go above 92, 93. That's their top speed, right? And it's not a small vehicle, so I can pull over and let him go. But what he's trying to do now is brake checking my truck. You'll see he's doing 86 now, and then he was behind me, I think doing 90, 92, 93, whatever speed it was. Yeah, if he wants to do that, something happens. If we brake really hard, I cannot do anything. My truck will hit him. I will be unharmed because I'm sitting really high. And that guy, that car, cannot survive the crash. I am trying really hard just to make a distance. So now he's doing 84, 83, 82, 81. Not sure what he's trying to do, but anyways, the passing lane is coming, and I don't know what he wants to do next. Let's see what he'll do. See? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, he's going at 105. See, cannot see him now. He's gone. It's just I'm not trying to make a road rage here, but the only reason why I record this is like it happened to truck drivers a lot. Like now I am on the hill, right? I cannot do anything. Even if it's like 730 horsepower, I'm still doing 56 because I'm loaded. I'm carrying 50 tons and I'm going up the hill. I cannot go any faster. Doesn't matter how close you want to come to my trailer, how many lights you want to flash me on the side mirrors. I cannot do anything. So maybe cars should understand that sometimes you have to be patient, because this is the passing lane now. I'm not blocking anyone. I can just pull over to the left, and if you are in too much hurry, you can just go around. All the other cars were waiting behind me as well. I don't know what happened to that guy, but yeah, it isn't a good idea, buddy. I don't know if you will see this video, but if you did, make sure you never do that again, because every truck driver don't have too much patience. Like if they lose their temper and they want to you know, tailgate you really hard, it's gonna be a problem for you, not for the truck driver, because he's sitting really like high. He will be unharmed. But if you really want to brake test him and you stop right in front of him when he's coming at 80-90 kilometers an hour, yeah, you are wrong there. It's gonna be your fault, not the truck driver fault. It's nearly 5 o'clock and I think I'll be in Wellington by exact 7 o'clock, because normally it takes about 2 hours from here. And yeah, I just have to make a quick stop at Foxton Takeaway to grab my evening tea, and I think we'll be in Wellington on time. From here I will be turning right, which is South Highway 1 to Wellington, and if I keep going straight, that is South Highway 3, and I'll end up in Palmy after 20 minutes. So that way is Palmerston North, Masterton, Napier. If you want to go to Napier as well, like you can go from this side, but normally Napier is, if somebody wants to go to Napier, they come from Wellington, Remutaka, Woodville, Napier. That is the easiest way. Here I am in Foxton, and we are just about to get into the takeaway. Yes, so that have a Vaitomo fuel station as well. This takeaway, it's called Tasman Cafe Indian Takeaway, fish and chips, snacks, hot food, ice creams. So they have got pretty much everything. I've been here before as well. The tea, I really like the tea here. Okay, and they have a lot of truck parkings here. So if you're a truck driver and you want to try Indian food and want to grab it, so you call them 15 minutes before you will be here, and they will get everything ready for you. So my tea, and I just bought one parantha as well. I think that will be ready by the time I go in. Let's go and grab some food. That's good. ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੋ? ਬਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਵਧੀਆ। ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਾਠਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਬਈ ਜੀ, ਤੇ ਚਾਹ। ਹਾਂਜੀ medium ਚਾਹ ਨਾ please। ਹਾਂਜੀ sir। Okay, so it's 5:30 now and in Wellington by 7 o'clock, so still on time. Okay, so it's 6:23 p.m. now, and we are about 30 to 35 minutes away from Wellington. Just getting on to Gully transmission now. Welcome to the capital city of New Zealand. The weather isn't so great here. It's too windy, The rain is bad. The time is 6:52. It means we still have 8 minutes. I'm heading straight to Blue Bridge now, and hopefully the ferries are still running so we can get to Picton on time. It's 6:54 p.m. now, and I'm about to check in at Blue Bridge. That's the beautiful Scania right there. Okay, let's see what they have for us. Hi, it's main freight registration MUDKI.
MUDKI, any DGs or chillers?
No, yeah, no chillers, no DG.
MUD, I'll get you pack up in lane 5, number 5.
Number 5, thank you. Okay, so number 5. Up, okay. And so this is the new ferry, LIVIA. It's pretty much the same like the other one, Kaikoura, but a little different. Yeah, this is same as Kaikoura. Oh, that's straight ferry right there. Hello.
Hey, let's see, we got main freight.
Yeah. Registration MUDKI.
MUDK. There we are.
Yes.
We just get out a mail voucher for you.
Okay. How's the weather looking like?
Haven't heard anything bad about it yet.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. And that's the ship specifications. Okay. 186.5 meters. 0.6 tons. Number of passengers 500. And it is 2008. Gila balik, tío. I'll have pasta, fries, and veggies, please. And can I also have salad as well, please? Yeah. Thank you. So we are having dessert after this? Okay. Okay, here is the room. 2 beds. Got my own TV. Here's the toilet. Oh, okay. Okay, so I was here in the room, and what I noticed here is, look at these lights. Isn't it cool? No switches, just off. And let's see if the TV works. Oh, it does work. Let's see. No signal. Okay. So return this off. Okay. Cool, right? Okay. I should sleep now. Enough playing. Okay guys, I'll see you when I get to Picton. Bye bye. Okay, so I am still in my cabin in the ferry, and I was just using my phone connected to the Wi-Fi. What I heard was an announcement saying that it's checkout time. Grab everything and come out of the cabin. And it's just 10:55. The ferry leaves at 8:30 from Wellington. It's 10:55 now, so that's about what, 2 hours and 30 minutes. And I think, yeah, we will be in Picton in another 15-20 minutes. So this ferry is really fast. Don't ever sleep in this cabin, otherwise you'll be stranded in the cabin.
Make your way to the reception desk, follow the long corridor and make your way to the vehicle decks.
Okay, so it's 11:24 now and we are in Picton. So it means it took around 3 hours from Wellington to Picton. And we are heading to the vehicles now.
Until then,
Here we are. It was a quick trip. bit cold here. Oh yeah, just in one go. Can you believe that? Good morning. It's 6:45 a.m. in the morning. I am here in Picton. Was supposed to leave at 5 o'clock, but yeah, it was cold and I was feeling sleepy, so I rest a little bit more, but that's okay. We still have enough time, so if I leave now, I'll be there in Christchurch by midday. So okay, it's time to go. It's 3 degrees. It's really cold right now. Hopefully it's going to be a good day today. I'll see you guys in the video. The temperature now is 1 degrees and it's a little foggy outside. It's supposed to be raining, I think, but it is not. That's why it's cold. Okay, so here I am in Wad. This is a little town. I am about to pull over on the right hand side there. It's a cafe. Not too sure if it's open or not, but I'll have a look because I really need some caffeine now. I think it must be open, but let's see. Homemade food, coffee to go. It says it's open. Okay, let's go in and have some coffee. Morning. Okay, big. I'll have one bacon egg pie and also large mocha, please.
Have you or takeaway?
Takeaway. Morning. Oh yes, finally a good coffee. On the left here we got Kaikoura coast. On the right are the beautiful hills. This weather is really amazing. Here I am in Christchurch now. It's 11:35. It took me 4 hours and 48 minutes and we are still 8 minutes away. So let's say 4 hours and 55 minutes. So nearly 5 hours from Picton to Christchurch. I'm heading straight to the customer now. I will unload this. Still doesn't have the plan after this. So I think I'll be having my 10-hour rest here. Or maybe we are getting loaded tomorrow morning, but okay, let's see. All right, so I'm finished for the day. The delivery is done, but when I was on the way I see some blue paper flying in the air, and it was this one. There was one deaf tipper truck and trailer. They was coming too fast, and I think, yeah, there might be something that hit this, and then yeah, this cover was the one that I see flying in the air. But anyway, it was a good trip. I think I have to wait here till tomorrow, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so I am in Christchurch now. Have to park here for my 10-hour rest. I don't think so there's gonna be anything tonight, so hopefully I'll get something back tomorrow morning. And yeah, it was a good trip. I left around 10 a.m. yesterday morning, got here in Christchurch by 11:45, so it took me around 25 hours, 26 hours, so pretty good. And yeah, everything goes well. Expect that broken panel that I showed earlier. So what happened was I was driving and it was so windy, and there was one truck and trailer coming towards me, and when he go past me I see something flying, like something blue flying in the air. I knew it already that something has been broken, but I didn't heard any noise or anything like that. He didn't touch my truck at all, so I don't know how does that happens. Maybe a stone out of his tire come at a really fast speed and it just broke that one. But that's okay. I will contact Scania because I think that panel needs to be replaced now. And overall it was a good journey. go into the depot, have a shower, eat something and sleep, and yeah, wake up fresh for my next adventure. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.